Now we come to our next rule, that is in nouns ending with AU, like plateau, it's ending with AU, we form the plural by adding X at the end. Like AU becomes AUX. So we add X at the end of the word plateau or whichever word that is ending with AU. Similarly, chateau, CHATEAU, it changes to chateau, CHEATEAUX. Okay, so we add X at the end of the word which ends with AU. End of the noun words which ends with AU to make it a plural noun. Is it clear? Next. Next is, if a singular noun ends with IS, the IS is changed into ES in the plural. For example, analysis, IS, it changes into analysis, ES. The pronunciation changes from cis to cis. Analysis becomes analysis in the plural form. So, any singular noun ending with IS changes into ES in its plural form. Okay. Now we go to the ninth one. If a singular noun ends in ON, like phenomenon, then in the plural form it changes, this ON changes into A, phenomena. Now children, there are some nouns which remain unchanged even in the plural forms. Okay, like deer, deer, sheep, sheep, aircraft, aircraft. So these nouns remain unchanged in the plural form. So it's same in the singular as well as the plural form. It do not change in the plural form. And there are some irregular nouns which do not follow any rules to form their plurals. For example, man, men, child, children, mouse, mice. So they are not following any particular rule to get changed to plural form. Now, this is an important slide, children. You have to understand when do we use fish and when we use fishes. From the picture, you can see that this tank is full of fish, though there are many fish over here. So why have I written fish over here? Because when there are many fish of the same speed, variety, same breed, then we call it as fish. Then even in the plural form, we call it fish. Because it is of the same breed, same variety. But the ocean is full of fishes. Now see in this picture you can see the all different kinds of fishes are there in the ocean. It's not only one kind of fish. So when there are many fishes and they are of different kinds, then we use the plural fishes. This tank is full of fish. Why? There are many fish, but all are of the same species, same variety. And the ocean is full of fishes. Why? Because the ocean is full of variety of fishes. There are stonefish, there are sharks, there are clownfishes, there are dolphins. There are so many types of fishes. Clear? So now be very careful while you answer the question. You have to understand the question, what does it want, and then you have to fill it with either fish or fishes. So children, be careful with the sentence. Okay. Some single nouns do not have any singular, like scissors, trousers, victuals, measles, pinchers, pants, tongs, mumps and tweezers. So these are few nouns which do not have any singular form. They are always in the plural form. Okay. So what type of sentences it can be? Do you wear glasses? I need the scissors. Where are they? These trousers are very tight. Okay. Where are my glasses? Because they are all considered as plural. Okay. For example, say, do you wear glasses? So glasses is also considered to be plural. Similarly, scissors, trousers, tweezers, tongs, all these are considered as plurals. Okay. So with this we come to an end of the discussion of this topic. I will quickly revise once again with you all the rules. So let us come to the first rule. What was the first rule? That with regular nouns in the singular form, we generally add s to form its plural. Okay, car, cars, bag, bags. Second, whenever a noun, singular noun ends with s, double s, sh, ch or z, we add es to the noun to make it plural. For example, bus, buses, glass, glasses, box, boxes, bush, bushes, church, churches, etc. Third rule is that any singular noun ending with f or fe, it changes into plural first by changing that f or fe into ve and then adding s. Like leaf, the f changes into ve and then s. Calf, f changes into ve then f. Wife, fe changes into ve, wives, then s we add. Okay. But here is an exception. Here in certain cases, we do not change the f or fe into ve. We just add s at the end of the word. Like believe, believes. Fine. Next, fourth rule. When a word, a singular noun, ends with y and the letter before y is a consonant, then y is changed into ies. When the noun ends with y and the letter before y is a consonant, then we change this y into ies. Similarly, next slide comes to that when the singular noun ends with y and the letter before y is a vowel, then the noun forms its plural by just adding s. Okay. So this is the rule with vowels and consonants ending with y. The nouns in singular form that ends with o is changed into plural form by adding es at the end of the o. But again, in this case also, there might be some exceptions, like piano changes into pianos without adding es. We just add s to it. Okay. So piano, pianos. Photo, photos. Next rule is any noun ending with us changes into I in the plural form. Any noun ending with au in the at the end in the singular form adds x at the end to form its plural, aux. Okay. Any noun ending with is at the end changes into es in the plural form. So what are the three? The ones ending with us changes into I. The ones ending with au adds x at the end, and the ones ending with is changes into es. These are three important rules that you will have to remember. Next we come, if a singular noun ends with on, then that on changes into a. There are some nouns which remain unchanged even in their plural form, like deer, deer, sheep, sheep, aircraft, aircraft. And there are some irregular nouns which do not follow any rule to form their plurals. For example, man, men, child, children, mouse, mice. Fine, all of you. Then I explained you when we use fish and when we use fishes. When we use fish, when all the fish are of the same variety, same kind, then in the plural form also we use fish. But when the fishes are of different variety, then we add es, that is, we use fishes, not fish. Many fish but of different varieties, fishes. Many fish but of the same variety, fish. Clear? Some nouns do not have their singular forms. These are those nouns like scissors, pants, trousers, shears, victuals, tongs, measles, mumps, pinchers and tweezers. So here are the examples. I need the scissors. Where are they? Because they do not have the singular form. Is it clear to all of you children? I revised it once again for your benefit. Now you will go through the slides and read the rules. The rules are not at all hard. If you read the rules, I am sure you will be able to understand the rules and you will be able to do the assignment correctly. You will be able to do the book exercise as well as the assignment correctly. Okay? Fine children, with this we wind up our class. Have a nice day. God bless you all.